ngithola umsebenzi eSasol. My late father, sihlale eDevon ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi kimi, seeing that usuyohlala eMbalele, zama ukuthi uthole ifamily yakangalonde. Umkhulu akasaphili. Ugogo ukhona kodwa naye ngenxa yesizungu uze wajoyina ibandla laseZayoni. So I came. Ngasebenza eSasol inyanga yaphela. On coming back, my father said, engibuza, uyitholile yini ifamily yakangalonde? Uyazi phela nokuceda kufika endaweni awukayijwayeli lokuyijwayela. Sengicisha ngikhohliwe nokuthi ngithunyiwe. Ngathi hayi baba no. Ngiyayibona indawo nokho iyahambiseka. Ngizobe sesengiyafika. Ngempela ngabe ngiyayifuna ifamily yakangalonde ngamthola. Ugogo ehlala kaBhutluka. uLuka indodana encane yakagogo. Ugogo ke ehlala kuma-outside rooms bamakhele khona ikamera, and then kukhona ke futhi negarage ehlala nendodakazi yakhe uSisveli. Kodwa ke uSisveli ke wayekade ethengisa utshwala. Ugogo ethwele ibhuku lamaZayoni eligreen. So I felt ukuthi achapha beshilo ukuthi ugogo because of isizungu useze wangena kubandla lamaZayoni ngoba engasekho umkhulu. Nabantwana ke sebephumile bangasewona ama-Adventists. Niyazi ke phela abantwana bayasikhethela. Kodwa ke engikujabulelayo ukuthi ugogo wavuma ukuthi singakhonza ndawonye. In fact, it was just a case of us fellowshipping together. Kwakungasiyo ukuthi we are worshiping ngoba besikade sithu. La egarage uSisveli uthengisa utshwala kunokuxokozela nje kwabantu abalathayo. Ugogo wathi ke ngcono sokhonzela ekamereni. We started this church sikhonzela ekamereni lakagogo ngalonde. Sisobabili. Andana ngambuzo ugogo ukuthi abekho yina abazalwane abezayo. Ugogo wathi abakhona abaza nje ukuzomvakashela, but most of the time uma be-off baye eBethal. So gogo kusho ukuthi sizoba yi-2, hayi sabe yi-2 nogogo. Kodwa ke engikuthandayo ke kwaba yilesikhathi kuba khona amakalipota afikayo la eMbalele. Ubaba uMahlalela noBaba uMsibi bafika ke bezothengisa incwadi as usual. Kodwa ke babese ke bayakwazi ukuthi bonke laba abasebenza eSasol ababuya from different places, they were able to recruit them to say akhona ama-Adventists akhonzayo kodwa ke sasakhonzele ekamereni lakho. Ngokuza kwabo kwabonakala ukuthi fanele sifune indawo evulekile, indawo engconywana ukuthi singakhonzela khona. Ugogo ngalonde wacela indawo esikolweni sakaBabuzolo uprincipal. Kwaba yilapho ke safike sakhonzela khona. Basebenza these comforters benza umsebenzi obaluleke kakhulu ngoba had it not been for them abanye babayofika ngoba sasizwe sonke ngomsebenzi eSasol. Kodwa uthola ukuthi because of ibandla elingekho bese bayahlala ke kanjalo. Kodwa ke bakwazi ukuthi basisondeze sibandawonye sesikhonzela esikoleni sakaBabuzolo. Ekambeni kwesikhathi ke sabe sesiyasuka esikolweni sayokhonzela eBlack Seed indawo yakangwasheni. Sangane sihlale isikhathi eside kangakanani sesa la eToriso la sakhonzela khona. Kwaba yiko ke ukuthi i-time housing this area eyakhiwa ke ngaleso sikhathi. Ezifamily kaMasinga nathi sathola ke indawo eduzane nje nabo babumlo uma nazo babumlo ila ekhona nathi nje besithi a stone throw away. Kwaba yilapho ke uBabuphungwayo wayefike ngo-1981, mina ngifika ngo-1980. Wabese ke uBabuphungwayo benoBaba Masinga bacela ke njalo ukuthi akungcono le ndawo since i-construction site ingasezuba khona siyoyicela indawo ukuthi sikhonzisisa sakhe i-church. i-building site for ibandla. Kwavuma kumasipala kwaba yiko ke ukuthi sizokhonzela la. Kwakukade kukhona izozo, a temporary structure which was more of an office for i-time housing construction company. And then bakhe futhi ke nomkhukhu wamaseke laba bekade bebeka khona i-building material. Bathi uma bethutha bashiya na i-foundation nonke niyayibona ke isesekhona. Hayi thina sathi hawu hayi zidubukele qho. Sabe sesilanda stop nonsense. Sifike sasibeka stop nonsense. Wakhala umfundiso umoya wathi hawu sanimoshe kakhulu. Nicale ngomkhukhu welokanje we-stop nonsense. Niyothi niphinde nakhe nje uma ngibhekile hawu sizokwakha mfundisi sizokwakha. Kwathatha ke nokho iminyakanyana siloke sidla ku-stop nonsense. But then ibandla labe seliyakhona. We have abazalwane abafika ibandla lisakhona. And kwakumnandi during those days. The church was still united. Uma kukhona ofikile sasibese sazi masinyana ukuthi kunomzalwane ofikile ebese siya ekhaya kwakhe siyobona la hlala khona singwelcome. Kube mnandi. There was that unity esingasayiboni ke ebandleni kulamalanga esiphila kuwona. And then ke okunye ke engikhumbulayo ukuthi ibandla lathu uma likhula kwaba khona imindeni efikayo. Imindeni esaqala ngawo, the early members of the church were Brother Khoza, uTom Khoza. Kodwa ke wabe sesoyahamba nomndeni wakhe. Kwaba khona ke uBhuti Malachi. Naye was the early member of the church, kodwa akasaphili. Kwaba uBrother Enoch Nkosi naye futhi akasaphili. uBrother Thulo nomndeni wakhe ifamily kaPhungwayo bese ngishile yafika ngo-1981. Kwabese ke sokuba uMama Buthelezi nomndeni wakhe, Brother Sukazi, Brother Mahano, uMambuyisa, Brother Thabethe, ifamily kaJele, usisi Mphume, usisi Ntombi, abanye ke babese sabeyafika ke beloke befika. But the church grew masinyane futhi because kwakukade kukhona ukusebenzisana. From the year 1980 sikhonzela ekamereni sithu nogogo uNgalonde. Masinyane nje ngo-1986 nge-28 zakaFebruwari ibandla lamiswa umfundisi umoyo ethunyelwe i-TOC ukuthi azomisa leli bandla kube a fully fledged church. Kwaba kuhlelo. But what I'd like to say ukuthi lapho uma likhula ibandla nenkinga zakhona. We started seeing the crack of disunity in the church. Kwangabikho ukubambisana lokho sasikade sibonile before. Uthando lwangasabibikho ngalendlela besikade sithandana ngayo. Kwabonakalisa ukuthi when the church grows nenkinga futhi zenze njani ziyakhula. And this is not good. Akukuhle. Kodwa ke isifundo esinaso sanamhlanje sisho kona ukuthi it's going to be very dark before kuba nokhala. It's going to be very hard before kuba khona peace. It's going to be isikhathi esinzima kakhulu anduba uKristu afike. But siyasikhuthaza ke njalo ukuthi masibambelele njengoba amadodana esibizile besho ukuthi masihlanganene sikhumbule imvelaphi yethu ukuthi saqala kuphi. There is nothing uNkulunkulu ayithandayo ukuthi abone ibandla lakhe libambisene. Kanti uma kukhona i-disunity, kukhona ukuhlebana, kukhona ukubhekelana phansi, kukhona ukuzikhukhumeza, uNkulunkulu, that's not what he wants from his church. Ngizothi ngisho nje lapha ku-Christ Object Lesson, page 61, paragraph 1. Uthi lana uSister White, Christ is waiting with longing, desire for the manifestation of himself in his church. Christ is waiting with longing desire for the manifestation of himself in his church. When the character of Christ shall be perfectly reproduced in the people, then he will come to claim them as his own. Perfectly reproduced. Siyayazi ke i-reproduction ethina esesikhulile esibelethile ukuthi uma kwanda abantwana la ekhaya bathatha ama-genes of both parents ebese ke aba-reproduced in them. Okonayo ukuthi nembala lengane ingayo kaMasinga ngoba ngiyayibona ukuthi ifana nomama ifana nobaba. This is what Christ wants to see in his church. Him perfectly reproduced. The character yethu must be like that of Christ. But unfortunately for the church, ibandla lethu sekwaba yindawo yokudlalela. When you want to see the world, come to the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The way we dress as if siya endaweni zokuzijabulisa. Abomama sebakhohliwe indaba yabo yokuba omama ababheke amakhaya. Sebenza ngale ndlela. Yeah, go to women ministry these days, then you'll see wonders. Angeke uzibuze ukuthi kwenzakalani. It's the church that we have these days. Abafana be-reality 7 bethu bakho bomama abayofana noHana abayokhuleka kuze bamanje baya kugala. Asiyazi ukuthi ugala wenzani ilapho ayakhona bese sebayakhosenya abathanda ke njalo ngoba ihlazo labo ayibaluleka obani sebejuquza bekugala phela. Kuyabakini sikhuleka abantwana abasekhaya. Kristu sondela ukubuya. Bani abobaba abayofana noAbraham abayobuza indlela kuJehova. Abobaba banamhlanje sokwabobaba nje kodwa ngathi abomama laba nabo ngathi banomthelela ukuthi abobaba bangasazizwa ubaba babo. Ibandla selaba yindawo la kwenziwa khona imali. We are preaching the gospel of prosperity instead of preaching the gospel of the soon coming Savior. And it's very sad. The church may be big. From the bedroom yakagogo to this structure. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi okudanga phakathi ebandleni akubona lokho kuyokwenza ukuthi our children will frown upon it and say if the church is like this, then this church is not for me. Abantwana abakhulayo, they need to see us as role models. To say that thina sakhuliswa abomama nabobaba abekade bemazi uNkulunkulu besondelene naye kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu in any situation he is still in control. Engathi singababhelela ngoba isifundo last week sithi only those who will stand in Mount Zion. Yilabo abanesimilo sikaKristu sibonakaliswa empilweni zabo. Uthi bekhuluma uRevelation uthi yilabo abangama-virgins abangakaze ababe ulibo likaNkulunkulu abangakaze bazihlanganise nazo zonke lezi zinto ezikhona emhlabeni kodwa bamela iqiniso kwaze kwafika isikhathi. Those are the ones that will stand in the last days on Mount Zion uma uKristu elanda ibandla lakhe. My occasion is uma semvala uma le bandla kungenzeka bese seliyasuswa kule ndawo. The community around this place, what is it that they are going to remember about this church? Ikuphi okuphathekayo abayothi maye ibandla laseMbalele ngokungasabikho kwalo lapha in our vicinity. We are lacking in everything. Kodwa kunalokho bayothi oh yeah angiyakukhumbula lapha babenza neemoto eziningi bekhonza the whole day. Yeah manje abantu bakhona manje hayi bakade beyiphakamisa hayi bona bacula kamnandi bachumayela kamnandi. But there is nothing ephathekayo abazoyisho ngebandla lethu especially uma sichubeka senza lamanyala encithakala abona uDaniel esendaweni engcwele. God is going to frown upon it. There are churches abayolahlwa with their pastors, with their elders, and there are churches abayoma eqinisweni babe the true remnant church abayoma noKristu on Mount Zion. Thank you.